Hello, my name is Ulrich Renke. I'm leading Cerasonar, Ceratec Audio Design, located in Germany. We are a manufacturer of fine speakers, and since the last 15 years only DML speaker, which is called distributed mode loudspeakers. This is a special product which is getting more and more interesting to the market because these speakers are completely invisible, which is a solution for all those ones. They hate invisible speaker because invisible speaker in many cases it destroys more or less the interior, and that problem has been solved because I got that hint from my wife. She told me do something nice, okay? And I did it because I do everything my wife says to me all the time. Yeah, that's me. The problem is that my wife knows everything better than me, especially afterwards, but I follow her because she is right. And now I will come to the end. In 14 days we are married 40 years. I'm still what I'm living. That's not that easy after 40 years, okay? So for further information about Cerasonar, please visit www.cerasonar.com.